in the glasses, set all that aside. When you watch 3D television on this TV, it's amazing. I mean, I remember Chhota Chetan was the first film that I saw, and you kind of want to grab that laddu that comes out. We've come a long way from that, and it's just, I don't know how to define it. I mean, a lot of people don't like 3D. I love 3D, and I think this television does proper justice to what I want from my 3D television. It has a couple of features where you can actually make it kind of come towards you a little more. I don't know what it's called, but it works. Other than that, on gaming, I've realized a couple of games that I used to love to play, like God of War and the car racing games. You know, especially in God of War, you know, when you're in those dark caves, the blacks kind of, you know, have a shadowy effect on them. The blacks always used to kind of stand out and not look real, and that's what would make it feel like it's an animated game that you're playing. But on this television, I've seen for the first time that the blacks are so well taken care of that you can actually look at a game and say, wow, it looks like you're playing a movie. And that's amazing. And even on the fast speed car games, you know, when you're taking those bends and like Burnout is what I love to play, it kind of shudders. You can feel there's something artificial about the moment. But this one doesn't. So I'm very happy with this television. Thank you, Philips, for making us the selected few to kind of try this on. There are so many features in this that I haven't even tried as yet. I'm looking forward to seeing them. And yes, the Ambilight, which Soha will now tell you about, which is the best feature of this television.
First, we'll all just, there'll be a huge round of applause before the Ambilight.
What,
right?
for me?
Yes.
Thank you. And just to check that everyone's awake. I think now that the boys have told you all about the remarkable technological aspects of the new Philips Ambilight TV, I want to tell you about the drama, which is my favorite aspect, which is of course embed in the name, the Ambilight feature, which all of them were forbidden from telling you about because I wanted, when you're the last person to speak after 3 people, often you have nothing left to say. So that's why. I do love it. When they first told us that they were going to give us this television so we could try out the Ambilight feature, I thought that it obviously must be some kind of ambient lighting that will be part of the television. And it'll be pretty, but I didn't realize how impactful it would actually be. And I think when Kunal was telling you about surround sound, that's the best analogy because it's really like surround color. It's not just creating a little bit of ambient lighting. The colors on the screen spill over and they're projected onto your ceiling and onto your walls. Like Ranvijay said, that actually makes your TV screen then seem bigger. The content on your screen is no longer confined just to that television set. It actually becomes a part of your room. And because you're in that room, it becomes a truly immersive experience, like we talk about watching a film and feeling like you're part of it. So for example, one of the channels we love watching is Nat Geo. So we watch a lot of these wildlife videos and they're beautiful. You know, they were telling you about you know, the Northern Lights before. If you see this on this particular Philips Ambilight television, you will feel like you're there. And for some reason, the colors seem even more vivid often than what we see with the naked eye. So it is beautiful. And one of the things I struggle with, and I'm sure that everyone does as well, when you're watching television at home and you want to watch a movie, I want to create the right ambience, I want to create the right atmosphere, and I'm always fiddling, I'm always turning lights on and off. Sometimes it's too dark, sometimes it's too bright. And then of course, when I'm watching TV with my mother, her main concern is, okay, your eyes will go bad, and it's, you know, you must have some lights on because otherwise you strain your eyes. I often like to watch TV in complete pitch dark, which is bad for your eyes as well. So this has actually solved that problem because we just turn all the lights off and the Ambilight works for you. So it is a smart TV and it creates the right kind of ambient lighting for whatever content. You can choose from vivid to natural to movie, depending on what you're watching or what time of the day it is. So that's wonderful. And it is less straining on the eyes. You don't get a headache as often sometimes you do when you're watching TV. And what's lovely about this particular television as well is that when you turn off the TV, it doesn't automatically go off with a jhatka. It's not jarring to the eye. The ambient lighting, the Ambilight goes off slowly and gradually, like a dimming effect. So that's also good for the eyes. In fact, sometimes we've done this when we've been at home in the past week. We've just had the TV on standby and the ambient lighting on itself, which is a sort of lounge light. Yes,
wow.
It's wonderful.
I have to give this idea to my wife. Yeah?
This is the woman's touch.
Amazing.
I think if you want to create the right decor in your house, then you can just put on the ambient lighting. You can select, they have this sort of lava reddish color. They have blue, which is aqua. You can use your phone. You can get an app on your phone and actually create the right kind of mood that you want. I'm super excited by this actually because we have recently, of course, moved into this house together, quite recently, and so we're still doing it up.
Not we.
Not we, we. So it's lovely. And I want to say one more thing, which is, again, I think what's intelligent about this television is that if you are seriously challenged, like I am sometimes when it comes to decor, all you have to do, they have something whereby you put in the color of your wall, and the Ambilight will actually adjust itself to the color of your wall. So you don't even have to think that much. So for example, we have a dark brown wall, which our TV is mounted on at the moment. It will adjust and it will create the best lighting for that particular decor. And how everyone says ultra slim TVs just blend in naturally with your home aesthetic and you feel like it's not there. I actually, and I'm very stubborn, want to change the aesthetic of the house to fit the TV because I feel that that dark brown mounting is not suitable and a white wall will be better because then the lights will spill over seamlessly and it will truly be a beautiful experience. So something that I've never thought of before, to change the decor of my house to suit a television set, is something that we're considering. What do you think? Wow, wow.
That is, you know what I'm going to do? Next time I'm going to have a party, I'm going to say, baby, that all of that is okay. Just before the party, I'm going to call Suhan, ek bari ghar aa jao, please hamara na pura ambience set karke jao, because the way she's described the
It's truly
Ambilight,
passionate.
it's great that we didn't.
Don't
You're
you
going
want
to
to create
revisit
the right
your
mood
TV
in
now
your
and just look at it differently. You realize.
Yeah, I actually want to not watch it, but just have the settings of the
It's
Ambilight
true.
and just keep
It is.
watching.
There's a lounge light kind of mode that you can do
All
that
you need
with.
now are the smart bulbs, which then sync with
Yeah.
your TV, and then the whole house is ambient.
And I don't think those are available yet, but they will be soon. They're called Hue bulbs, and they have a router, and you can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and they will react the same way Ambilight does. So if there's pinks and greens on your screen, your whole room will become pink and green.
In the middle of this, just remember to watch some TV. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, all this.
Actually, that's the other thing. Like what Kunal was saying, that when you see this video, that they, we all saw the afterglow at home. अरे ये video तो इन्होंने TV के लिए, इस TV के लिए बनाया. मैं ना कोई और video देखूँगा इसमें. And it's the same thing that happened to all of us. And I'm very I like my phone to be connected to the TV. Like as soon as I come home, switch on, screen mirroring. So now everything I've done throughout the day, the mails and all, they're not in a phone. You can see it on a 65-inch screen. So all of these things put together, and of course the fact that everybody's coming home.